Blue Cross Blue Shield North Dakota Caring Foundation supports community projects in our state with something called a Health Innovation Grant. The money can often have big impacts for a lot of towns. Amber Blomberg is the executive director of the Caring Foundation, and she joins me from Fargo to tell us more about the process. Good morning, Amber.
Good morning.
Thank you for joining us. Now, it used to be known as a Spark Grant, but now they're called Health Innovation Grants. Tell us what those are.
Yeah, so the Blue Cross Caring Foundation, like you mentioned, these grants are now called Health Innovation Grants, and they're really about fueling those fresh ideas that improve health right where people live. So twice a year, we fund 4 proposals that are up to $50,000 in grant funding for those projects that really are supporting physical, mental, or social well-being, especially those that are grassroots and community-driven, and really those that are built to last.
Okay, now how do the grants help improve our health and well-being in our everyday lives?
Yes, absolutely. These grants really are to meet people where they're at, whether it's in a rural town or neighborhood in need. And I mean, it can be anything from a mobile health clinic to food access programs, or really just trying to turn those local ideas into real life solutions for all underserved communities and communities in general across North Dakota.
Okay, now I'm sure you have some examples of how grant recipients from the past have had their lives changed. Can you relay some of those?
Yeah, sure, I'd be happy to. So a previous grantee of ours was Senka. They are using the grants to really expand their self-sufficiency programming. So meaning more families in southeastern North Dakota specifically have more access to food, housing, and other non-medical needs that still are needed to obviously give them a healthier, more robust health.
Sure. Okay, now why is it that Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Dakota is involved in this, and why is it important to your company?
We're involved in this. We just really believe that health starts in the community. These grants are our way of investing in the people and programs in North Dakota that make us stronger and healthier and more connected. And so we really just feel that it's just, one of the many ways that we can show up for all North Dakotans and help them have and live a healthy life.
Okay, I'm sure there's a process to apply. What would that be?
It's really simple and accessible to apply. We are accepting letter of intents right now through the end of July. We'll also be accepting letter of intents in the month of January as well. But organizations just fill out a simple letter of intent. As an example, can be found on our website at ndcaring.org, and really just give us an overview of their projects and goals. And we just look forward to any and all applicants. We cater towards those who are nonprofits, community-based organizations, and municipalities. So,
okay. If people, Amber, go to that website, what are they going to be able to find? I would imagine it's quite comprehensive as far as the information that's available there.
yeah, so head on over to North Dakota or ndcaring.org to learn more. You can see past recipients on there as well if you just want to see, what ideas have been accepted in the past. And you can also, again, as I mentioned, download that letter of intent. There's a template there, so it's really just fill in the blank. We want to make it as easy as possible for nonprofits across the state to apply for grant funding, and hopefully we can create a partnership to help you and your mission be sustainable for years to come.
Wonderful, and we appreciate it. You said it's the end of July to apply now, but it'll come around again in January. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct.
All right. Amber Blomberg, the director of Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Dakota Caring Foundation, we thank you so much for joining us this morning, and we appreciate your time.
Thank you.
All right. Stay with us. We have more coming up on North Dakota Today right after this.